Hello, today I'm going to present my vending machine code. So let's start. Now we create a variable with vending machine items. In this variable I put all of items, all the items, all 30 items as another dictionary. For example, A1, this is the item. In this item we have code, uh, name item, price, popularity and availability. Each code has these parameters. Code we need to I created to find a certain item we just name item like chocolate or Coca-Cola. Then price. After I create popularity, we needed to recommend the user most popular items. And then availability. I created to say if it's available or not. After I created all slots, I closed the dictionary VMI. So I created for statement to display all items and their information for user to choose. Then I just create print message with two backspaces just to skip lines. Then I printed the message where I notice user about displaying popular items, and then I create another for statement to find and print all items with popularity equal 5. By the way, it will display only available items. In this for statement I created if statement that checks if popularity equal 5 and if it is available. In this if statement I just print all the items that are meet the requirements. Then I created I closed for statement and created an variable. Just let user to enter the code of item it chosen. It has chosen. Then I created for statement to find item by code that user entered. Then I created if statement that checks if code correct, and if it's not correct, it will in else statement it will show you message you entered wrong code, operation is failed. So then if code is correct, it will start another if statement that checks availability. After if item is not available, it will send you a message that item is not available, please try again later. In that case, if in case of if item is available, it will print all information about item. it will print information about item. Item code, name of the item, price. Then code will ask user to enter the to input payment. Then we create another if statement that checks a payment. If state it will check if the payment less than price or more than price or equal. Then here I created variable that subtract m from price. I just updated m variable here. Then it will print your change. Here it is. And then it displays message where is gratitude for transaction. And here it is, and here we close if statement, and here we start else statement where it send a message that operation failed because of the not enough funds. So that's how it works. Thank you for watching.